So I hope everyone you are doing absolutely fine. So in this video my actual goal is to actually show how I successfully solved a problem regarding page transition. So we know page transition is something like when we move from one page to another or when we reload our page, a slight animation shows up before showing the main content. But the main thing here is like the page transition needs to stay on the screen until the underneath content is ready. So it cannot go before the underneath content is ready because it will create a bad user experience. So when we move from one page to another, it may take some time, like for some seconds or some milliseconds if the network is slow, or if you're loading a lot of data, then it may happen like from moving one page to another, it may take a lot of time. And in that case, if our page transitions goes up or goes away from the screen before the page loads, it will create a very bad user experience. So as you can see, I have made each of my page slowed by 5 seconds so that I can show you how my page transition is being synced with my page content. So if I just reload this page right now, so you can see that as my page is 5 seconds slow, it's loading. And as soon the 5 second went up, we can see that we have mounted our home page and we are fetching zero thing. That means we are fetching zero data. And then if we just go just a little below screen, and here you have a button which will click to go to my work page, and this is like a direct transition. So if I click on this button, you will again see like a nice transition happening, but it's still waiting for 5 seconds. And then as my work page was 5 seconds slow, so you can see that my page transition was loading for 5 seconds, and then I can see the content, but actually it is not 5 seconds slow. I have just made that thing willingly. So as you can see, as soon I click the button, I unmounted my home thing, and after that I mounted the work page after 5 seconds when everything was ready and the fetching was like about like zero. But it may be more, but I have nothing, no data fetching because it's fully static content right now. So we are getting fetching zero here. And the last thing I have to show is like if you use your navigation bar, then you will see also some navigation going on here. And suppose I'm now going to my about page, and you can see that again it's like unmounted the work page, and after 5 seconds it has mounted the about page successfully. So here in this scenario, we can see that how our page transition is perfectly synced with our page content, and it's waiting until our page content is ready. So this is very important, and in frameworks like Next.js, it is very hard to implement because the router is now upgraded to router slash navigation or something like that. And for that reason, you cannot actually track events on the router. So for that reason I have to use effect, and it has become very tough for me, but I am glad to show you that it's finally working as I expected. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know in comments if you're interested to know how I did this trick. Then I will launch another new video explaining how I solved this problem. Until that, stay safe, and I will get to you soon.